Welcome to my channel. Visit the link in description. Let's try the first method. Open CMD as administrator. Copy the following command and paste it to CMD. Let's check the MAC address. Put the command get MAC in CMD. This method didn't work and my MAC address is still same. Let's try the second method. Open network settings. Open properties of Ethernet. And follow my steps. Type value of maximum 12 alphabets. My network is automatically refreshing. Let's check the MAC address again. This method also didn't work. First and second method will work in Windows 7 and Windows 8. Now this third and final method will work 100% in Windows 7, 8 and 10. You have to download and install Mac software. The download is restricted. You must have to create account. Creating account is totally free and easy in EZTUTZ.com. Just follow my steps. The account is created. Let's download the file and install. My screen changed to black because it asking for administrator access. Open TMAC software. Click on random MAC address. Now click on Changed Now. Now my MAC address is changed. Please subscribe my channel.